Hey, sometimes we need a little bit of a pick-me-up. Right in the middle of the day, there's maybe a few more hours to the shift and we're feeling really tired. And what I find that's really helpful is chair dancing. Say that we don't have time to get up and move, but we're seated in front of our computers. We might have a little bit of time to do something energizing. Let's begin with some chair dancing. Sitting at the edge of our chair and making sure that our knees are 2 fist width apart, hip width distance apart. Some shoulder rolls. Inhale the shoulders up, exhale, roll them back. Inhale, shoulders up, exhale, roll them back. Inhale, bringing in positive energy. Exhale, releasing any stress out on the exhalation. Inhale, positive energy in. Exhale, releasing any negative energy. We'll inhale the arms up. Exhale, hands come down. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, hands come down. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, arms come down. Inhale, arms to a T. Give ourselves a little bit of a hug. Getting that oxytocin in. Exhale the hands down. Inhale the arms forward. Exhale, hands come down. Let's rotate our forearms in our hands. Inhale, throwing the hands up, forward, and rotating the wrist as we come down. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, rotating the wrist as we come down. Inhale, the right arm lifts. Exhale, the right arm comes down. Inhale, the right arm lifts. Exhale, the right arm comes down. Inhale, the left arm lifts. Exhale, left hand comes down. Inhale, left arm lifts. Exhale, left arm comes down. Inhale, arms to a T. Give ourselves a hug, and the other arm crosses on top this time, getting the oxytocin in. And release. Hands on the knees, and we'll begin some heel tapping, lifting the heels up and tap down, keeping the toes and the balls of the feet on the ground. Lift, 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 lift. Good. Keep breathing. Now let's inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms down. 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 Marching in place. Keep breathing, doing good. Keep marching, keep marching. Energy of the arms, energy of the legs. Keep marching, keep breathing. Keep marching, keep breathing. Keep marching, keep breathing. Keep marching, keep breathing. Now our legs are going to go out, out, in, in. Out, out, in, in. Out, out, in, in. Very good. And marching. Good job. Now our right arm is going to reach across our chest and the right leg goes out to the side. And reach and together. Reach, together. Reach, together. Reach, together. Left side. Reach, together. Reach, together. Reach, together. Reach, together. And marching. Very good. Inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms down. 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 And reach with the right. And reach it. And reach. And reach. Left side reaches. And reach. And reach. And marching. And marching. Let's go out, out, in. Out, out, in. Very good. Keep breathing. And back to marching. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms down. Inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms down. Inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms down. And reach with the right. And reach. Reach with the right. Reach with the left. Go left. Go left. Nice. Place the hands on the knees. Let's inhale the arms up. Exhale, palms together, chest center. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, palms together, chest center. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, palms together, chest center. Interlock the fingers, flipping the palms towards the screen. Drop the chin down towards the chest. Push the shoulder blades back. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, side bend towards the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, center. Release the fingers. Exhale, forward fold. Hands drop down. Chest folds down. Hands on the knees. Flat back. Lift the chin up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, palms together, chest center. I hope this leaves you feeling energized so you can complete the rest of your shift with good positive energy. And remember, releasing all negativity, any stress out on the exhalation. Be well.